Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on ODATGH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Oh, right dear, if you may have me who. Hey, if you may have me who, about that phobia. We are making the name envelope on the bride. Yen chess can have it, yen chess can no more. He envelope on it, maybe a brow envelope. Oh, Monte. How you are? I may follow what I knew. Our poor last killer. He made a video.
Ghana city so obedience mama man kasa ko ju obi sika mama dia me kan ele say me peace of mind obi tete me enti patro dia say me mama I could have taken it to court. I have too long like my dey say me nyina me busen fo nyina o mo Jamestown o ma ko na e back and forth so dey dia so ya read the hospital my way we chief priest mulo mo you dey ya read for that hospital my dey drip ese wo so I'm serious. And from one bridge, I'm moving with some bad and say, I deny with see the fact that traditional system to Israel and your fraud. I will take your money and they will ignore you. I'm serious. Yeah, met me,
yet the obedient you, you be a co. The point is one album show you so.
Yes,
and you didn't come up also for assume you know. I want some no. Who possess to try? What they are put down now opportunity no hana oka.
Aye, into na masa ka wa say fraud. Into mama obi amfa na asam nko na ewu.
Because no. What's our chance?
Because my coach try. And I'm ye. See, Nairo. Nipa recommending Nairo. Now, I'm handle Nairo. They are the same people in Moses. Sometimes we are changing profile. The people now, they don't take it serious. I believe in African spirituality. It's a fraud. It's a fraud. They took my money, and then every time I call, they tell me that the high priest, someone too well, let me come out. Or the hospital, they drip a single. So,
who's a drip in the house?
Every time I call, they tell me, say, he's on admission. How can you be the chief priest and be in a hospital? You know, you have no business in a hospital because you have no business. The same, no. I beg you. No, yeah, of course you're hospital. Of course you're traditional system. No, call hospital. I call lab. Na dia na. You bet you more jemu na dia na. Sansu na call this. Ni one na say chief priest. Why? They do something. They are black. Before we see. Now they see white paper. So your the print in your palm is on it. So it's the same thing. It's just that the packaging is wrong. I said, work lab. Our packaging is wrong. And if you can do all these things, the hospital. It is a fraud. Me patcho, me and Rebecca, I know some people I don't like. It's not working. I went there for a solution. They keep my money, and every time I call, they do me last.
I can say, now come fraud there. Fraud is police station.
Frauding me.
One of the kind said,
because it is fair. Miss Boss say, I will say, and you say, to miss me call. My call, and I may who say, I'm on the hospital. I'm going to use the car. I'm back at that hospital.
I know. It's no way.
Oh,
now what?
Don't go there. They are fraud.
Okay, Apia. Arnold.
Me everyone I mean the way I be France here and it no so dey ko nine way. Say everyone say what here all can okay.
When me woman marry.
Yes.
That way they say.
One from Anyafe. And now traditional so afa. Also now so Jesus Christ indeed.
The reason why I didn't go to my lawyers because I'm practicing African spirituality. Come if you say you can't not say koyi. Our culture and tradition. And I'm a call and I mean we say the reason why people would rather go to church than go to than practicing our culture and traditions because our people don't the truth. What to 2,000 Ghana. I'm a friend also. I'm the drip I say. No, I'm not going anywhere. See, and I can go. I will have to go back to my lawyer because I know they're not going to say a cha. Yes, a cha. But when they saw I read the hospital, I don't know when he's going to get well.
Okay, that's it.
So it's fraud. Nobody to go there because they heard me saying brother Ben, me buy program in soon. That Ben calculate.
Okay.
That's what was
your more opportunity.
Secondly, they are not sharing.
No, sister.
Secondly, they are 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Papa, you are.
And they told me that they work with the Supreme Court and the police.
You said that.
I said all of that, so I'm saying it again. Say, don't what I said before. Not money leading you to the place. They are fraud. The people there.
Now you 101 updated version on a problem because
I'm so embarrassed saying this. I mean, we say me can't ask them, but I have to save it. I have to save.
Now, if you are not all the coin, and you cannot have the coin on to me, also the cover.
What can you ever claim?
Chief priest, Mama, chief priest for that hospital. Because I said don't go. So I say, don't go there. They'll take your money and say, and yes, I do.
United Showbiz, and as I say, they're African traditional religion. That's how no back out.
Ghana for more family born in Chemiwati. Nipa way. Come on, Saba. You put me not tell you what you from Ghana for more family born in Chemiwati. Hey, Nipa way, Casa, na making.